Do you like the animated video you saw? Welcome to my 360k Hubs. If you are new to my channel, like, subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified when I post contents like this. Now let me teach you how to make a 3D animation movie using AI, so without wasting time, let's hop into it. First, you need to go to DeepMotion AI and create an account. I'll leave the link of the website below in the video description. Sign up and create your account. After logging into the website, you can see list of Animate 3D options, but for this video we will be using the first option, which is the Animate 3D option. Click on it and click on the Get Started button to follow the guide on how to start, but click Skip to continue without guide. On the left side of the website, click on the Animate 3D dashboard, then click on the 3D model option. You can select the type of option you want for creating your 3D model, but we will be using the Ready Player Me Avatar generator. Choose your body type or body type you want. You can upload your photo to convert it into a 3D avatar, or click on Continue without photo. Next, select your avatar type, then proceed. You can customize your avatar as you desire, then click Next when you're done. Continue without sign up, then enter your own name and click Save to store all the avatar's information. Next, click the Create Animation button and upload a video that your model can mimic. To download videos, I would recommend using Mixkit website. I'll also leave the link in the video description. After uploading your video, you can trim the video if needed. Go to the video output option below and enable the MP4 output option. Uncheck the Include Original Video option and change the custom background to solid green color. Set the camera to cinematic and enable or disable shadow output if needed. Then click on Create to convert your video to a 3D animation. After the generation process is complete, select the MP4 format and click Download to save your video. Next, head on to Canva and select the video option to create an animated background. I'm not using Canva Pro, so I'll select any background just for the video. Now click on Share and click on Download to download the video. Next, go to CapCut Video Editor to edit the video. I'll also leave the link in the description. Now select the Create New option and select the Remove Background option. Now you'll need to import the 3D animation video by clicking the Upload button. After your video has been uploaded, select the CapCut option on the right side menu. Then select the Add Background option and upload your background animation video from Canva. Resize your 3D model to fit the size of the background. When you're done, click on the Export button to download your video. You can change the video resolution if you want, or you can download or share on TikTok. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on our next video.